Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to go over my dividend payouts for this past quarter. I received a total of $484.42, and I'm going to continue adding more dividend stocks to my portfolio. Dividends are a great source of passive income. All you do is purchase these dividend paying stocks, and as long as you're holding it until the ex-dividend date, then you get a dividend payout. So first, this one's still pending, but on October 31st, I'm gonna get $10.58 for Spider S&P 500 ETF. Next is Vanguard Mega Cap, $13.47. Vanguard Mega Cap Growth, $5.60. Vanguard Mega Cap Value ETF, $11.04. iShares S&P 500, $11.50. Vanguard S&P 500, $72.40. Schwab Large Cap ETF, $50.82. Vanguard Industrial Sector ETF, $5.34. Vanguard Consumer Discretionary ETF, $6.08. Vanguard Healthcare ETF, $5.20. And Vanguard Information Technology ETF, $43.47. As you can see, I still have a lot of my ETFs. I'm slowly selling my ETF positions and allocating that cash towards stocks, a combination between growth stocks with no dividend, where they're reinvesting all profits back into growth, as well as dividend paying stocks. Next is Nvidia, $3.30. McDonald's, which is a good dividend paying stock, $20.20. United Health, $15.30. Microsoft, $28.14. Home Depot, $16.48. 3M, $19.04. Johnson & Johnson, this is also a good dividend paying ETF, $26.10. Boeing, $23.94. Visa, $10.71. NetEase, $1.22. Constellation Brands, 74 cents. Apple, $29.20. Procter & Gamble, $7.17. AT&T, this one's a really good dividend paying stock, $23. Spider S&P 500, $9.96. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturer, $14.42. And that's all. So that's a total of $484.42. That's all for this video. Which stocks are you following or going to purchase? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.